And a good morning to you. We have made it back to the capital city, Colombo. I was inside this immigration office extending my visa. And there's the office, just over there. I've been in Colombo for a few days now, just resetting the gears and all that stuff. And I'm happy to be back. So we're gonna do a few things today. Do a little bit of an exploration of the city. Maybe we'll hop in and see Mr. Barber again. I wouldn't mind my hair getting fixed up a little bit. I do want to talk about the visa extension, because this happened to me last year as well, where basically I was like the 5th applicant of the day. I get there first thing in the morning, and it still took 5 hours to get my visa extended. It's like, it should be a first come, first serve basis, but like last year, the same thing happened. A lot of the people that applied first, their files ended up being put at the bottom of a list. So even though you were one of the first to apply, you were one of the last people to actually get your visa back. So anyway, we'll get a tuk-tuk and we'll do a bit of exploring. Real bad traffic today for some reason. Yeah, bad traffic, huh? Yeah. Oh wow, look at that. An advertisement for an Australian university. Yeah, you see that a lot in foreign countries. How to get to Australia, America, New Zealand, Canada. Okay. All right, cheers, man. I'll figure it out from here. Hey, excuse me, gentlemen. Where is the railway yard? That side or this side? That side. Can you go inside it? Can you walk around the railway yard?
Yes.
You can. Okay. What's the entrance? Just there. Alrighty. Well, welcome to Ratmalana is the name of this town. Ratmalana, and I think that what we're about to enter is the largest like railway workshop in South Asia. Is that the railway workshop? Okay, all right, thank you. Okay, it looks open. Hey, how much is ticket? Do you need a ticket or no ticket?
For what?
For walking in here, the railway area. No ticket?
You have to buy permission before.
Do you need permission to go inside?
The office.
Ah, from the office.
Inside, yeah.
Okay, all right.
You have to go upstairs, right?
Okay, alrighty, I'll ask.
1 o'clock like that.
Just happy to be here is all. I appreciate the permission. Very kind of you. Okay?
Okay.
Alrighty, thank you so much. I appreciate it. Alright, wow.
They are the technicians.
Your technicians for the trains. Hello.
Engine is from the German. Engine means this part. Engine part.
You said this is from Germany?
Engine part is German.
Right.
Dummy one is China.
Okay, so it seems like...
Whole cab from China. Inside some parts from various countries.
Okay, that's what it seems to be. Sri Lanka has a mix of trains from all over. Like I heard Romanian compartments, Chinese engines, Indian engines, whatever.
Both engine, mainly engine is German.
Mainly engine is German, okay. So basically every single train that travels on Sri Lankan railways is maintained and worked on here in this very workshop.
Yes.
Yes, every train in the country.
Every train.
Right, every train stops here at one point in its lifetime.
Yes.
Probably multiple. Wow, there's trains everywhere. So these ones here, they're never going to be used again, right?
We are going to renovating.
You will renovate it.
Yeah.
Wow.
So we have to shunt. We are telling shunting. I think you know that word.
Shanting, is that to push the trains in?
Push the trains, the particular workshops.
Okay, right. I was going to say, I've not seen this before. So it's basically designated to be used. A train comes in, and then this will come out and push it into the workshop. Ah, look at that. I guessed it right. Okay, cool. And the railway workshop building itself is a British building, isn't it?
This is not the British one.
Those are British.
British.
This one was built after independence.
After independence.
Okay, got you.
You can
Oh, this is British.
This is British.
Wow. They used to put coal in here, didn't they?
Yes.
What year do you think? The 1920s?
Like that.
Yeah, something like that. Wow. Okay, wow. Coal used to go inside there, and that'd be how they'd get the engine to run that way, right? Yeah.
In the rail line,
Yeah.
rivers are there, no? Rivers
Yep, yep.
preparing bridges, bridge.
Right, so they use this to build bridges.
Yes.
Really?
Yeah, installing the bridge.
Installing the bridge. So, okay, so the train would come on one side,
Yes.
and then the crane would lift over objects, so then workers could come and construct.
Yeah. Still we are using one crane, is there steam crane.
Right, really?
Yes, it's also there in Colombo.
Wow, this is so amazing. Oh my God, I love it so much. Wow. Thousands of parts.
Yes.
Wow.
Do you have knowledge of technical side? No.
Nope, I have no knowledge of the technical side. That looks British, right?
Yes.
Oh.
This one is in a running condition.
Is in what condition?
Running condition.
Running, this is in running condition. Sir Thomas Maitland, was that a person? Sir Thomas Maitland? Or is it just the name of the...
Name Thomas Maitland is one of the
like a governor?
governor like that.
Okay, right. Oh, this is so cool. Yeah, the old school wheels, and the British loved their red. Red and black was like the British thing for trains. Oh man, so cool.
Now it is a lunchtime, they are getting
Yeah, everyone's, yeah.
because it's very hard work. S-class engine.
Yes, yep.
This is the gearbox for that engine.
Righty, this is a gearbox.
Gearbox.
Wow. That's amazing. I didn't even, to be honest, I didn't know trains had gearboxes.
No,
Okay, and this is which country?
this is Canadian.
Oh, it's a Canadian train. Bloody hell, from all over the place. Canada as well, wow. 90s, I guess.
Oh, no, 1970.
1970?
Like that, yeah.
Wow.
This is not much old.
No.
Recently we celebrate the 50th anniversary.
50th anniversary
Last
of this train
this
type.
train, this
Okay, so what, 1974, 75?
like that.
Okay, wow. And these are British offices. You can tell the style, the architecture. Yeah. Sorry, I'm a bit of a in terms of architecture, British architecture. I love and admire. Even the system, the clock there, and people putting in the notes and all of that's a British thing.
Yes, this is their time card.
Their time cards.
They're-
I'm just saying, like, that exact system used to be used in Britain a lot, like however many years ago. It's just,
Yes.
it's amazing that it's still functioning. I think that's so cool. A ladies only bathroom.
Yes. Not much ladies are working.
Not many. Yeah, I haven't seen too many ladies except in the administration building. What's that?
This is Vesak Lantern, We have some festivals.
Oh.
The Lord Buddha's birthday, we are commemorating the Lord Buddha's birthday.
Oh, right, and that's a lantern.
Lantern,
Okay, got you.
They will show you how this work.
Okay, cool.
They prepared that one.
Oh, wow.
See?
Turn it on in a second. There you go.
First place for this one.
Yeah, there's gears and everything inside it. Wow, that's awesome.
Yes.
So it was a competition.
Yes, competition was there.
Oh my gosh, well done. Oh yeah, you can tell. Prince Edward Island.
It was aid.
Yeah, it was
Donation.
It was a donation.
Yes.
Yeah, Prince Edward Island on the east coast of Canada.
Canada.
Wow, no way, that's so cool. I'm really surprised Prince Edward Island, because that's only a small place in Canada.
Canada.
And that's where the train comes from. There you go, cool, all right. This is British, isn't it?
Yes, those are.
Okay, these are. I keep finding in Sri Lanka the carriages,
Yes.
the storage carriages from the British, but I can't find any passenger carriages from the British days. That's what I'm really trying to find.
These engines are condemned.
They're condemned. Okay. And this is true, right? All of these tracks, it's all British steel, isn't it?
Our requirement
Right.
Some lines, new lines are we prepared here.
Repaired, but it's still technically British foundational steel, isn't it?
Yes.
Across the whole country, right?
Across the whole country.
Yeah, that's pretty amazing, isn't it? Yeah, cool. Will one day Sri Lanka extend the train lines?
Yes.
Because I think that would be very good for tourism to extend the train lines further.
Of course, this is the main thing. If we can extend those lines, that will be it's good for that this tourism.
Oh, it would be remarkable for tourism. It'd be amazing because, like, getting to, for example, I know there's a train that goes to Batacaloa. I got it, but they're not very frequent, and they're only third class. But there's no trains to get to Arugam Bay. There's only one train a day to Mannar.
Yes.
There's no train all the way along the south coast, which could be very useful.
If it is a good point, if government can provide another line.
Yep. But it's going to take a long time because it's
and,
expensive and
yeah, that's the thing.
bureaucratic as well. Yeah. Okay, here's just some British stuff. What was that? What did they used to carry, like sand in it?
Sand and that cement, some cement factories.
Cement, yep.
Cement factories. They are unloading from the fort.
Yep.
And this vehicle we are using to bring inside.
Oh, okay. So you still sometimes
Yes.
use it. Really? Wow. Over 100 years old. But hold on a second. Is this not a British compartment? Because it's wooden.
Wooden, yes. It's wooden.
So surely this is a British compartment. Yeah, I mean it's all in English.
Yeah.
Supervisory manager tracks, loading and
Yes.
supplying section. Oh my gosh. Is there any chance I could look inside?
Okay, you can go.
I'll be very, very careful. Wow, okay.
It's, British.
Yep, definitely British. Definitely. I have been waiting to see a British, Sri Lankan train interior for passengers. Wooden. Oh, this is awesome. Obviously completely different to what's used today, of course. We've got to remember this, we're talking like 1910s, 20s, 30s here. But wow. And these were sleeper trains, sort of, I guess. You could sleep. These are berths up the top. People sat at the bottom, little storage compartments as well for people's belongings. Wow, man. Oh, I love this so much. And then the lavatory, if it's open, might be. Yep, an old toilet seat. Is that a new toilet seat? Because it's plastic. So it'd be a replacement, right? It would have been probably wooden. Oh, this is bloody fantastic. Oh, thank you for your service, British Train. Thank you for your service. Oh, I'm so very happy. It's interesting, you've all got all different kinds of trains connected, so this isn't British, is it?
Yes.
It is British?
It is British.
Oh, really?
Most of this kind of trains came from British.
So this is more recent British, like 70s Britain.
Yes,
okay,
yeah.
and that is 1920s, 30s
Yes.
British. These are the trains that are currently used at the moment. I didn't realize there was wood, and you just put sheet metal.
The structure, metal structure is there. Above that is only wood.
Wood, right? Because that's the finished product, right? On the other side.
No, that is different, no?
Oh, it's different.
It's not wood, no.
Right.
Romanian.
That's the Romanian compartment. Okay. Because I see these all the time actively being used. So this is a different one altogether. Right, so where does this type get used? I haven't seen a wooden one be used.
Wood one, they are using that, especially the tourism.
Oh, the
purpose,
tourism stuff. So that would be Canditella.
Yes, right.
Ah, right. Thank you so much, mate.
If you want to speak with our madam.
Yes, and just to let her know, just
Yes,
to be like,
yes.
thank you.
Say
Yeah,
thank you, something
yeah,
like
no
that.
problem, no problem. Thank you. Wow, what an absolute honor that was. So lovely of them to let me do that. I went up and thanked, I think, the deputy chief of the workstation, and said thank you to her for letting me walk around. This is a little bit, it's not exclusive per se, but it is a little bit of exclusive access. I had to get proper written permission to come in. Do you guys have drinks? No drinks. Where can I buy? Is there any drinks nearby?
Inside.
Oh, inside there's drinks. How many rupees for this one?
100 rupees.
100, okay. All right, that's fine. And we got to get a drink from the workshop's lunch quarters. How nice. I am straight up a solid 1 hour away from Colombo with traffic. So I've gone south, like pretty damn far south. So I've ordered a bike to pick me up, but it's gonna come here in 10 minutes. But where we're going is good old Mr. Barber. Yep, just here on the corner, perfect. Cheers, bro. Thank you so much. Hey, man.
Hi.
How you doing, bro? So, this time, different. Razor shave. So, baby face, completely shave. And then just trim. Just, you know, fix it up. Wow, we be looking different. Every time I see you, I got a new style going along. I like it. Get rid of all of this as well. All the way.
It's nice.
This nice for me?
Yeah.
Doesn't suit me, doesn't suit me. No. Okay. All right. You did the I divot again. Hell yeah. Whoa. Cheers, bro. That was better than any massage I've had in Thailand or in Vietnam. I look very different, don't I? Clean shaven, right? Brilliant, bro. Brilliant. I've never had it as short before on the side. I like it. Yeah, I've never had it this short on the side. That's why it's so pale. Hasn't seen sun. All right, bro. Thank you so much, man. Legendary, mate. All right, and a little tip as always, mate. As always. Damn, we be looking different, dog. We be looking different now. Yeah, our cargo's just here. Yep. Cheers, bro. All right, sweet. Thank you, bro.
Thank you.
Enjoy, man. Oh, we've made it back to my area after hours of exploration. I need a drink. I need a drink. I need a drink. Coke Zero.
Nice hairstyle.
Huh?
Nice hairstyle.
Oh, hair change. Yeah, thank you. Oh my God, I swear to God, it's rush hour right now. Jesus. All right, well, we've made it back to Ratmalana. I've got myself some snacks and some drinks. And it fell out of the bag. No! God damn it, these fucking Sri Lankan bags, man. They're so bad. Where does Sri Lanka get its plastic bags from? All right, thank you very much. I can confirm Sri Lankan plastic bags are horrible. That's happened at least 4 times in the last month. Anyway, it's good to be back in Colombo, but tomorrow we're going to be heading off into the famous highlands of Sri Lanka. So I'm excited, and I'll see you in the next video.